Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Udemy course, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you add a YouTube video into your Udemy course? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to add a YouTube video into your Udemy course anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business selling courses, you know that by adding a YouTube video into your Udemy course can help your students visualize the idea. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Udemy instructor account. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Udemy instructor account, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to add a YouTube video into one of your courses, here on the left side, go ahead and click on courses. Once you do that, you're going to scroll down and look for the course you would like to add a YouTube video into. So for example, this one, and just click on the course. Once you do that, here on the left side, you're going to click on curriculum. Okay, here you will see the curriculum for your course. So you can see this is an international cooking course, and I have one section about Mexican food and another section about Chinese food. And each section has different recipes. So for example, this is a lecture about chow mein, another lecture about kung pao chicken. So in order to add a YouTube video, it needs to be added into a lecture. So you can add it into an existing lecture. You can easily create another lecture by clicking here, curriculum item, click on lecture, and then name this lecture. So maybe this is a lecture about sweet and sour pork. And then we'll just add another lecture. Okay, so once you have the lecture that you want to add the YouTube video into, off to the right, you're going to see content and also this downward arrow. Click on the downward arrow. All right, once you do that, you'll see these two options, description and resources. Click on resources. All right, once you do that, you'll see these four options, and you want to click here, external resources. Okay, so here is where you can go ahead and add a YouTube video. So let's say this is a video about sweet and sour pork meat preparation. Okay, and then here is the URL. Let's go ahead and grab a YouTube video. Okay, so here's a video right here. And the cool thing is that it doesn't necessarily need to be your particular video. It could be anyone who has a video on YouTube and it's public, and you see the share button right here. So you just click on share, and then you're going to see the link right here. Copy that link. Now you're done on YouTube, and you want to jump back here to your Udemy account, and you're going to paste that link in there and then add link. Okay, so now you can see we have an external source that directs to this YouTube video. So that way, when someone's working through my course on Udemy and they get to the second section, lecture number 6 about sweet and sour pork, inside there, they're going to be able to click on this link and it'll bring them to this YouTube video. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to add a YouTube video into your Udemy course, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.